Asante sana Bwana Spika. Niko na maswali mawili peke yake na nauliza kwa lugha ya Kiswahili. Sababu tulionyeshwa katika video kuna wimbo ambao walikuwa naimba wenye wivu wajinyonge. Bwana Mawira, uko na wivu?
Matatol.
Sawa, nikataka kujua hivyo tu. Mheshimiwa Spika, ukiangalia katika nakala ya pili kutoka County Assembly ya Meru katika kurasa 17 hadi 29 ni ile wanasema IFMIS printouts. Ukiangalia katika guzo ya 3, yani column 3, imeandikwa sub item description. Utaangalia kwamba kuna prepayments kutoka mwezi wa Julai mwaka wa 2022 hadi ukurasa wa 29 ni mwezi wa Julai tarehe 6 mwaka wa 2023. Hiyo ni mwaka mmoja. Katika hiyo subscription sub item prepayment zimelipwa 410 watu tofauti, ikiwemo huyo muungwana ambaye ametajwa hapa mara kadhaa ambaye anaitwa Meme. Swali langu ni kwamba umesema gavana amekuwa kilagai ama akipata hizi pesa kupitia huyo mtu ama wale ambao ni ndugu ama relatives. So ungetaka tukufafanulie kidogo tu nimalize.
Honorable Senators, avoid so many speeches and go straight to the question. I will allow you to conclude your question.
Ningetaka tu atuelezee kama ni kweli alikuwa na lagai kupitia familia, kama hao wengine ambao wote wako hapo wamepewa pesa, anajua hangelagai kupitia hao. Angelagai tu kupitia hao watatu wametaja, lakini sio wengine 300 na ambao wamepewa pesa hizo.
Thank you. Evans. Thank you. It's true, we have indicated in our evidence that prepayments have been made, not only to the governor's relatives, but also other officers in the office of the governor that have not been accounted for or that have not and surrendered documents to indicate that there was no embezzlement.
Senator Mogeni.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Speaker. First, Mr. Speaker, I want to thank the councils, Mutembei Thiankolu and Mutuma and Elisha, for being outstanding this afternoon in prosecuting the respective cases of their clients. Now, I have 2 questions to Dr. Mutembei Thiankolu. There is a video that was played, I believe, to prove count number 3 on making insightful, insulting, and demeaning remarks. The one where Governor Kawira was giving a speech. I want you to point out to me, I didn't see names being mentioned, so I just wanted to know this idea of cartelism, the people being referred to as cartels. I didn't see names in that video. I wanted to know where I can get the names of those 10 leaders. Number 2, page 17 to page 29, volume 2, these alleged payments to various people in the office of governor, some it's alleged have relationships. Now, there are procedures in county governments in processing and paying out payments. Now, other than what you have given us, is there maybe anywhere you can point out to me whether the governor tried to coerce any officers to make these payments, or that these payments were not made following the laid down procedures through the Public Finance Act, or is there anywhere where
Yes, proceed to answer those questions, Council. 2 questions.
It is true, Chair, or sorry, Mr. Speaker, that in the video Senior Counsel alludes to, there is no specific reference to any of the 9 MPs. But it is also true, and luckily the Senate has very many lawyers, you can confirm this, Mr. Speaker, that you don't need to refer to someone specifically. Someone can be referred to by innuendo. And in that video, it is common knowledge that Meru has 9 MPs and 1 woman rep, making them 10. It is also common knowledge, both through that video and others, and even the previous impeachment proceedings, that this reference to cartel of 10 people is a reference to the members of the National Assembly and the Senator for Meru County. There is the question of whether the evidence at page 17 to 29 is sufficient. Our answer is that it is. If we, on its face, the problem we flagged, Mr. Speaker, is the problem of 107 prepayments running to 78 million, and when this matter is raised, the governor only accounts for 2 million, and even that accounting is through documents that we have shown where one work ticket is used 17 times for 4 months, and clearly, on its face, it does not require any further substantiation. A prima facie case was made, the governor didn't respond to it, and the attempt only made the matter even worse. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Meru.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, for this opportunity to ask 2 very quick questions. And my questions are to the witness, whom I actually congratulate for the resilience of standing for 7 hours. Now, Mr. Speaker, when the witness was asked in the cross-examination on the reasons why they only provided IFMIS extracts, he alluded to the fact that they sought these documents from the CC for Finance, and the documents were not available. So I want to know whether there is any evidence in record of you seeking that evidence from the CC, and if then the CC has been difficult,